Hello dear friends, thank you for visiting my service here on Fiverr. I work as a freelancer and I have many skills, the most important of which is graphic design. Designing a high-quality thumbnail is an investment for your YouTube channel to increase the percentage of viewers on your videos and increase followers on your channel. No matter how good your content is, a thumbnail is a powerful marketing tool that plays an important role in attracting viewers to decide to click on your video. It should be done carefully and taken into consideration, because it gives the channel professionalism and earns people's trust. As a social media marketing expert, I know very well what customers need, and what needs to be done. For a small price, I can create a professional and attractive thumbnail for your YouTube videos. I can adapt it to any style you want if necessary, plus I will nibble you unlimited edits until you are satisfied with your thumbnail. Thank you for your time, dear. Do not hesitate to contact me even for information. I am here to help you.